Okay, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. This is part two of the special Crockpot edition. We've already showed you the unboxing. I washed it out. Now we're going to show you the contents we're going to put in there for our holiday get-together. One of them. We have another one we're going to be doing after this. So we're doing pulled pork, and Penny just took the pork loins out of the oven. Notice I said loins. So I'm grinding them up using the KitchenAid. Makes it a lot easier, a lot quicker. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, we're ready and prepared here. I'm going over to the stove, get me a couple chunks of this hot out of the oven. And it is hot. Oh, just dropped 2 pieces. My dog will be happy. Throwing those in. It makes it a lot easier doing it this way than trying to chop all these up with your fingers, you know. So anyway, I put the regular paddle blade in. Done this numerous times. Do it with chicken too, when you're making chicken salad. Okay, lock it in. Turn it on. Put it on number 2. And as you can see, I've already done a good portion of it. I just wanted to show you what we do, make it easy on us. And we do this pretty much once or twice a year. Okay, I think that'll do that one. I'm picking up this stuff that fell on the floor. God, I don't want to be stomping on it. Okay, so I'll tell you what this looks like here. Nice and moist. But anyway, that's what you get. And that's what we do. So then, now that we got that part done, I'm going to have to call the queen in here. So we spice everything up right. And we're going to use some making pulled pork, barbecued pulled pork. So then we're going to be putting that in the crock pot, and it's going to stew up. We're not doing this until Saturday, but we're getting it ready now. Let it rest a couple days, and it tastes good. So, all right. Fido found her way to the kitchen. Okay, so give me a minute, and we'll get ready for the next step. Okay, well, the queen said I had to dice up some onion. Well, I could have done that already, but anyway. So as you can see, we got the pan here that we cooked the meat in. So what I'm going to do is dump that out of here and right up into here. As you can see, that's quite a bit of meat. But as always, we'll end up giving some of this away to people to take home, whatever. Having a little get-together. Everybody's going to be having their face mask on and social distancing. Hopefully we're doing it outside. So, okay, so now we're going to mix in these two. I got 2 large sweet onions I diced. You can see that's a hell of a pile of onions, huh? Right? So now I'm going to get what is that spoon I had? Whatever. There you go. Use this one. What we want to try to do is get this all incorporated, so we use part of the spoon and part of my hand for now, and then we're going to be putting in the barbecue sauce, and then it goes into one of Penny's Crockpot deals that she got there, huh? Yeah. I wonder, is this all going to fit? We have to wonder. It might not fit in that one Crockpot, I don't know. But that's why she got 2, so. Okay, so that's pretty well mixed. So now we're going to dump in the barbecue sauce here. And this is the original, and then we have I think we have 2 2 regulars and 1 hickory smoked. I think that's how we're going to do this. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have to wait until the queen of the barbecue comes out, and she'll give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But anyway, once we're done with all of this, all we're going to do then is just put it on, turn it on, and it's going to cook in the crock pot for a few hours, minding its own business, and it'll get nice and happy. And everybody will be nice and happy on when they eat it. So, but I'm just showing you this. This is Penny's recipe that we've done for years. I don't know where she got it, but it doesn't matter. We've been doing this a long time. And she usually does it by herself. But because she's working right now, we want to get this done. Yeah, we're going to be putting some more in here for sure. Okay, so tell you what, let me get this mixed up and we'll be back. Oh, I got so excited I started loading the bucket without turning the camera back on, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the mix out of this here pan. I'm scooping it out of here and dumping it in the crock pot. So trust me, this crock pot is way bigger than the one we used to have. Not even half full yet, and still got plenty of room. We're going to be taking all this meat. Looks like good to the last drop, huh? Yep. And this is going to be nice. We have some Martin's potato rolls we'll be putting this on. And it doesn't usually all go because we make so much of it, but we end up giving a lot of it away. So everybody has a sandwich or two, and then whatever's left. Plus we have other stuff too. So we're going to be doing stuffed peppers or stuffed jalapenos, whatever you call them. I've already mixed that up. We just got to stuff the peppers. And the dog's having a heyday here below my feet. It's a good thing I ain't moving or one of us would get hurt. Ain't that right, Dom? Okay. Mama was worried that this is going to fit in here. Are you kidding me? Okay, I think using my fingers, but I don't think we're going to get any more out of there. So, okay, let me rinse my hand real quick, and we'll be back for the second to last part. Okay, I'm pretty impressed with the amount of meat that we were able to get in there. If I was using my other one, we probably would have had to do this in stages. But anyway, pretty heavy too. Set that in there, and it's in. It ain't going down no more, so it's in there. Put the lid on, move it back a little so that the dog and them don't get wind of it. The dog never jumps on the counter so far. We'll see. That might change. Okay, so we're going to put this on low. And the thing that, I don't know if the other one had it like that or not. I can't remember. No, see the other one, it was a Hamilton Beach one. So, but that one had to keep warm over here. And I've been reading about crock pots. Usually people say the high, you turn it all the way to the right. Well, if you turn this one all the way to the right, it's to keep warm setting, and then the hot is one up from that, like about the 1 o'clock position. And the 11 o'clock position, that's the warm. So we're going to turn it on for the warm side, but we'll keep it low. We'll let this cook for a few hours on low. I don't want to put it on high because I'm afraid it'll burn it. Don't forget, everything's already cooked except for the onion. Okay, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Is that good? Yeah, that's on there. It does looks like it's not, but it is. It's on there. We already got a little bit of a hint of steam coming up at the top. Not steam, but the lid's getting a little foggy. Maybe it was cold. I don't know. All right, so we'll see you guys in a few. Let you know what's happening. For right now, this is Mr. Dan saying, stay tuned, and we'll give you some more updates as they happen. And we're gonna, when we get done with all of this food, we're gonna have a taste test. I'll make a video just tasting all the munchies we're gonna have. All right, for right now, this is Mr. Dan saying we're out. Stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back, and we'll give you some nice holiday meals like this.